11, part of professionalism is what? Accessibility. You need to be accessible. You got to be accessible 24/7. Huh? Walang tulugan? Hindi kasi minsan yung kliyente nyo, habang tulog tayo, gising sila. Ganun yun eh. Nagbabago yung time zone. And then, hindi ko naman sinasabi na you need to work on it immediately. Yung parang noted, nagigets nyo? Accessible ka, nagre-reply ka. The single most frustrating thing for a client is yung cannot be reached. May tinatawagan ka mga phone na cannot be reached. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya yayaman. You just got to understand. Again, place yourself on the shoe of your client. Lalo na if you get paid by the hour. Man, I'm paying this person by the hour na ginagawa niya. Baka nanonood lang. Nanonood lang ng mga funny movies. Kasi iba kung physically present ka, nakikita ka, di ba? Pwede ka magpanggap na busy ka. Di ba? Panggap ka lang. Pero pag virtual, hindi eh. Babalik na naman tayo sa confidence eh. Once a person lose confidence, you lose your clients. That's the reason why never be unreachable. If a client calls you, make sure you pick up the call, or if not, just send a message, I'm in a meeting right now, can I call you back? Which is the protocol of my virtual professionals. Because I know for a fact that I'm not the only client. Nagigets nyo? Pero meron ba silang Sir, pasensya na, nasa meeting na. Oh, got it. Sige, call you later. Best time, night time. At least, nag-uusap kami. Reachable. And then, not only reachable, kasama na rin is what? Approachable. Learn how to become a people what? Person. Ay, hindi naman ako nakikita. Hindi, kahit di ka nakikita, mararamdaman ka. May kakilala kayong mga taong parating galit. Pag VP ka, virtual professional, you can never be a what? Snub. Ask me why. Because this client may refer you to other more clients. If you're easy to work with, if you're dependable, if you're reliable, if you're consistent, yung katulad ng sinasabi ko, ay, grabe, if you're reachable, winner ka. And another thing, you have to learn how to become adaptable. Are you familiar with chameleon? They learn how to adapt with the environment. Pag green, green, blue, blue, nagigets nyo? I know from what I've learned, highly paid virtual professional learn how to adapt to the personalities also of their what? Client. Iba-iba kasi yung personality ng client eh. That's the reason why I want to encourage you. This is a good, pag uwi nyo, gawin nyo to, ha? Promise? Yes or no? Write it down. DISC. These are the 4 types of people that you will encounter. D stands for dominant, I stands for influencing, S stands for what? Steady or steadiness, C stands for conscientious type of people. So, this is the principle in terms of being adaptable. You don't ask other people to adapt to you, but you should learn how to adapt to what? Others. Nagigets nyo? Why? Because you cannot control others, but you can control. If you're talking to a person who's dominant people are very direct. They want results. When you talk to this type of people, you don't beat around the bush. If they ask you, is the project done? Don't tell them, you know what I did last summer? Man, magagalit yun, mainis yun. Tinanong niya, is the job done? First answer, yes or no. When you say no, if they don't ask, that's it. If they ask, that's the time you explain. Nagigets nyo? Eh, ang problema, pag hindi mo alam yung personality ng client mo, maiinis ang kliyente mo. Parang, salita ka ng salita, pero wala ka ng kausap. Lalo na yung mga dominant na tao, katulad ko, naiintindihan ng mga staff ko yan eh. Pag magbibigay sila ng report, dapat madali. Kasi minsan, nakuha ko na yung info, may sinasabi pa sila, pero wala na sila kausap. Nababa na yung phone. When I talk to an I person, influencing, dapat naman, yung hindi ka pwedeng direct. Kasi itong mga tao ito, very sensitive. Pag kinakausap mo yan, dapat, muna, may pasakalye. O, kamusta ka na? Kamusta na yung mga pets mo? Okay pa ba yung mga So, in other words, these are the type of people who love what? They love people. Nagigets nyo? Pagkakasama nyo to, kunyari, kakain kayo sa labas. Ang mga dominante, ang unang tanong, saan? Pangalawa, magkano? Ang mga I people, pag tinanong mo, saan tayo kakain? Ano unang tanong? Sinong kasama? Hindi restaurant. Gets nyo? It's for the companionship, friendship. And then, when you talk to mga steady people are mga loyal. Ito yung bagaba sa mga aso. Alam niyo yung golden retriever? Yung parang, yung mamamatay ba para sa'yo? Loyal, they love cooperation. So, ito yung mga tao na pag nakuha mo yung puso talaga, ay, talagang hindi ka iiwanan. Pero this type of people, ayaw nila ng change. Ayaw nila ng stress. Kasi pag na-stress sila, di ba, may changes, abrupt, ay, mawawala to. And last are the people who are conscientious. Conscientious are the analytical type. These are the people, by the book, kailangan may proof. Kaya nga pag may kliyente kang ganon, pag kinakausap mo sila, dapat meron kang preba. So these are the facts and the figures, okay? They will not ask you what happened. They show me the proof. Nagigets nyo? Ito yung mga accountant. Ito yung mga auditor. That's the reason why, pag-aaralan mo yan eh. It's for free in the internet. Just go to Google. Take the test and then try to understand, learn how to adapt to different type of personalities, adapt also to their working style. And then also adapt to their working what? Habits.